Hello, welcome to KaiTech YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 3 best WordPress themes out there that you have to use. These 3 best themes are the best so far themes that I have come across, and I want to share with you. Now, this channel is for tips and tricks about WordPress and then digital marketing. So if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and then turn on the notification so that anytime we upload a new video, you hear it or you get to know it, and then you come and watch it. Now we are growing together, so please try and subscribe for us so that we grow together. Let's go. Now the first one that we're going to talk about is in no particular order, and it is not like this is first or this is second or this is not. All of them are very good, all of them are super good, but the first one I'm going to talk about is what we call OceanWP. Now this WordPress theme is one of the most powerful theme that you can ever come across. Now it gives you all the freedom to do whatever you want. So this is the website of OceanWP. You can check it out if you want. Now if you want to have freedom to do everything on your website, this is the best free theme for you to use. Now it gives you everything that you need to design your website from scratch without interference. It doesn't block you from anything. The color, the everything, you can choose anything that you want to use, and it's very powerful. It's a very powerful. Most of my website I use this one. Some of them I use other themes, but this is one of the best free themes, WordPress themes so far I've ever come across. Now it is free, you don't need to pay for it, but if you want to upgrade it to a higher level, you can pay for it. So when you go to oceanwp.org, you can click here to download. Now let's look at some of the features that this this theme have. Now like I said, it said we give you more. That is what the enhanced OceanWP 3.0 is out. So they give you everything that you need to use to design your website. Now you can enjoy the process by it is beginner friendly, quick customization, fully responsive, and then it is also accessibility ready, best SEO practices, and then RTL or translation ready. So this theme is one of the best themes so far, and it is, when you go to the WordPress website, it is one of the best themes that people will ever download. As you can see over here, it have over 4 million downloads. And if you want to buy it, like I said, it's free, but if you want to get more of it, you can decide to buy it. And if you want to buy it, they have a guarantee that they give you 100% money back if you don't like it, and that is it. Now a lot of people love it. It have 5 stars of it, and it also have amazing pre-made websites already made that you can import and then use over there. Now you can use any of your best how do you call it, page builder to this one, but I'll prefer using Elementor because that is what I really use most of the times when I'm designing my website. So this is fully customizable. You can do anything that you want to do. Like all these pre-made websites over there, you can choose. Some of them are pro, some of them are free. You can choose. The pro means that if you can't design it and they design for you, you need to buy it. So that is it. But if you can design it, this theme gives you all the freedom to do whatever you want to do with it, and it is very how do I say it, very good. One of the best themes so far I've ever come across. Like I said, you choose the best page builders that you want to use. We have Elementor, we have the Breezy, we have Gutenberg, we have a lot of the page builders that you can use to integrate into this theme and then build your website from the scratch. So it is highly customizable, and it is one of the best themes so far that I've ever come across. So that is OceanWP. You can check it out, OceanWP. Now you can also find it through your website. Now if you go to your website over here and you go to themes, appearance, and you go to themes, you can decide to go to add new theme over here, and then you search for OceanWP. Here it is over here. We have it over here, OceanWP over here. So you can just click on install over here, and then you activate it. So this is the theme over there. Now when you activate it, they will tell you to install some recommended plugins, and I recommend that you install those plugins because it also add more functionalities to the theme for you to be able to use it. Now if you go to the customization over there, customizer, like you can do anything that you want to do. Some of the themes don't give you the freedom to change the footer, footer description and all those things, but this theme gives you all the freedom that you can do everything about, and that is one of the best things about this theme. Okay, so over here you can see you have the site identity. You can go over there, the colors, you can choose any color that you want to suit your brand. You can check the menus, you can set every menu that you want, the widgets, the homepage settings, everything that you want to set up, you can check it over here. The footer widget, the footer bottom, that is what I was talking about. Some of the themes will not give you access to edit the footer bottom for you to insert your own description over there. Some of them will tell you it's a premium theme, and then you have to buy it before you can be able to. But this theme gives you so much access to everything that you can ever have, and that is it. So you can use your Elementor page builder to build your whole website from scratch and get access to everything that you want to. Typography, you can add additional CSS to it, you can add your own colors, choose any color that you want, and a whole lot of stuff just to suit your brand. And that is OceanWP. So OceanWP is one of the highly recommended themes that I will recommend if you want to design your website with a free theme. OceanWP is one of the best theme that I will recommend for you. The second one that we're going to talk about is Astra. Yeah, this one. This is the Astra theme. Now it will shock you that this one is one of the most popular themes so far, which is free. It is free for you to download and use. It have pre-made websites that you can import. If you don't know how to build a website, you can import it, and then it will be able to just ready-made, just like that. After installing WordPress, you install the theme, you install or import some of their pre-made website, and then voila, your website is just done in a couple of minutes. So Astra is also one of the best themes that I recommend for you. Now it is one of the most popular themes so far because of Elementor. It has become one of the best themes for Elementor. It is highly customizable. You can do anything that you want to do with it, change everything that you want. You can install the starter themes and it will get you everything that you. It also comes with a full and seamless integration with your favorite tools like Elementor, Beaver Builder, WooCommerce, Lendash, Toolset, Yoast. All of them are compatible with all those with Astra theme. So Astra is the one of the best themes so far. One of the best themes. So it have a whole lot of pre-made websites that you can be able to import and then um, um, build your website from scratch. A lot of people talk about Astra. When you go to YouTube and then you check of Astra, a lot of people talk about it over there. So Astra is one of the best free themes, WordPress themes, that you can be able to start your website within seconds. If you want to start a pre-made website within seconds, I will recommend Astra for you. So if you want to install Astra on your website, you can decide to download it from here and then go to your themes and then install it over there, upload it and install it over there. Or you can also decide to go to themes, appearance, themes, and then you click on add new theme and then you search for Astra. Just search for Astra. Yes, and this is Astra, this one over here. You just click on install and then let's activate it. You click on activate. Yes, so we have activated Astra. So as you can see, Astra is what activated over here. We can go to the Astra options over here and then you can customize it the way you want it. Anyhow you want it, you can just customize it and make it your own. Upload your logo, set colors, everything that you want, all for you over there. Now the best thing is you installing another plugin, which is Elementor. So if you don't have Elementor over there on your I recommend that you learn more about Elementor, because it is one of the best page builders so far. For me, I think it's one of the best page builders so far, because that is what I use mostly in designing my website. So install Elementor and then you can import the Astra starter templates to build your website. As you can see over here, they have about over 150 plus starter templates which you can use to build your website in just some few minutes over there. Some are free, some are also pro, but the free ones are enough for you to get started. So that is what Astra. So Astra is one of the best themes, free best themes over there on the internet so far, that you can use to build your website. Now the last one that we're going to talk about, we call it the Cadence theme. The Cadence theme, Cadence WP. Now this is also one of my best free themes so far I have come across. Now this right here is the magic theme. I call it the magic theme because you have access to almost everything that you want to. You have access to almost everything that you want to use your theme for. So Cadence is also one of the best themes over there. It is a masterpiece. It also have starter templates and all those things. Like I said, I use Elementor in building my website, building the pages that I want to build for my website. So it is also compatible with Elementor and other another page builders over there. So it is compatible with WooCommerce. It have different extensions you can also try to get if you want to other functionalities of the website. You can go over there, but Cadence is a masterpiece because it gives you everything that you want to get about like so for instance, you can get how do you call it, transparent header. You can get buttons on your header. You can get almost everything without buying the pro version of the Cadence theme, just like OceanWP and also Astra too. Most of the themes that I've talked about is top-notch themes, free themes, which you can get. Now let's look at how the theme looks like. The Cadence theme, how it looks like. Now these are some of the themes that we're gonna talk about. let's view some of their website demos, okay, that if use the starter templates that they want to, if you have, you can check it out. So this is how it looks like. They have so many starter templates that you can import into your website to make it look nice. So for instance, let's say you are building a website for let me see an online course, right? Yeah, just like this one. So you can check it out. This is how it looks like. Very beautiful theme. You see, you can import this whole starter theme into your website and then just edit some few things from it, change some colors to make it what your website. If you want to start an online course, you can just do it the way they've done it. It's just by you importing this whole nice looking theme into your website, and then it have all the pages built for you. All you need to do is what, just import them. You have a button over there, very beautiful website, and then you get it. So that is what the Cadence theme. There are so many starter templates over there that you can decide to what you can decide to use. So if it is an e-commerce website, you can check it out. You see, so maybe you sell something and you want pre-made website that you can import, and then just fixing your items and all those things. You can just come over here and then do just import one of them, and then you go. And maybe it is a business website that you are creating, you can use these pre-made themes over here to just help you go faster designing your website. You don't need to do anything, just import some of them and change the words that you want to change, and that is all. So Cadence is also one of the best themes. Now the free version gives you almost everything that you want to do, but you can also get the pro version. If you want to buy it, you can buy the pro version, which is also there. There are so many features of the Cadence theme that we've already talked about. It does a whole lot of things. So performance without compromise, great performance, no heavy JavaScript files, 100% speed grade, inline SVG icons, and then component style sheets. You also have accessibility. Your website will be very accessible. People can access it easily and all those things. And then advanced header builder, you can just use your drag and drop page builders to build your headers and all those things. You can do live editing, design options, custom layout, all are there. And then typography, you can choose between a whole lot of fonts that you want to use. And then color, you can set color for anything that you want to set, and that makes this theme one of the best WordPress theme around the world. And then the layout, you can page layout, how you want your page to be designed, how you want your page to look like. For instance, the post pages that you don't have really much control over it. They have a different layouts that you can use. If you want a sidebar, if you don't want a sidebar, all those things you can choose the way you want it. And then colors and buttons, like I said, you have a whole lot of buttons, and you can give your buttons some different colors that you want. And then we also have the theme features: header builder, footer builder, custom layout, custom post types support, global color plate, color options, global typography, global buttons, a whole lot of things that this theme can give you access to. I feel like this is so far the best theme that I've come across, but all the three that I've talked about are best. So you can decide to get it, download it over here, or you can go to your website, go to themes, like the way we downloaded the other one, go to add new, and then search for Cadence. Search for Cadence. Yeah, this one over here is what we're gonna install. So just click on install, and then you activate it. Yeah, so after activating, you can decide to install the starter template over there, and then after installing the starter template, you can use it to do, you can import all the or any of the pre-made templates or the pre-made websites that they've done for you. So far I think these are the best 3 free WordPress themes that I recommend for people to use. The first one that I talked about was OceanWP. The next one I talked about was Astra, and then the last one I talked about was Kadence Theme. So I hope you can choose between these 3 themes and then use it to design your website the way you want it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as we are growing together, so that we give you all the tips that you need to also build your website. We are learning together, so leave a comment and let me know which one what is also your best WordPress theme. Let us know about it. Okay, so bye bye.